Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And the third thing that, yeah, this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing is, this is from 1st of October till the 10th of October. Okay honey, let's start. So your partner's current energy right now is Virgo. Your partner's current energy right now is Two of Cups. Virgo, your partner right now is experiencing true soulmate kind of connection with somebody or with you or with themselves. It could be possibility of, there could be possibility of having it with you only. So let me clarify the Two of Cups in their current energy. This is beautiful energy of soulmate connection, love, and not lust kind of love. This is beautiful soulmate connection, divine connection, lovely energy. Let me clarify the Two of Cups for their current energy. Let me see. Five of Wands, the High Priestess, and the World. So I feel like you guys had a fight or had a fallout with together, or you guys separated recently. Because I can see that this person is listening to their intuition after this fight, after this conflict, after whatever happened between you guys. This person is trying to listen to their intuition, and their intuition is telling them that everything is over, yet something is unfinished. Yet something is unfinished between you guys, and that something is that this person is feeling like a soulmate connection with you after this fight, after this silence, after this separation, after this kind of energy of physical separation or emotional detachment from each other. This person is feeling very beautiful soulmate connection with you. Okay, after everything that happened between you guys. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Virgo. There's a separation between you guys, physical distance that I can see. Your current energy right now is Virgo. Nine of Swords. Not able to sleep, thinking about this particular person, thinking about this particular connection 24 into 7, not able to get them out of your head. Stressful, not able to sleep, not able to think anything else, constantly thinking about a certain situation or a person. Let me clarify, why are you feeling like this? Let me see, sweetie. Six of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, Justice. Could be dealing with a Libra here. You are trying your best to balance your emotions, but you are missing somebody very badly. This person is very dear to you, very close to your heart. You are having sweet memories with this particular person, and you're trying to do justice with them, with these emotions. You're just trying to do justice with these emotions that you are right now experiencing with this particular person or with this particular situation from the past, recent past. Trying to balance out things, but you're constantly under stress, not able to sleep actually, not able to get this person out of your head. Insomnia. You're missing them very deeply, missing this person very much. Oh, that's so painful actually, I know. Okay, let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, Virgo. Their feelings for you right now are no. No. Okay. The Lovers. This person is highly attracted towards you. Highly attracted towards you. Could be dealing with a Gemini here. See, this is kind of energy. For me, Lovers is kind of decision making as well. Although this is loving energy as well, that this person have a high attraction towards you or have love kind of feelings towards you, but this is kind of decision making as well. So I feel like this person have to take certain kind of decision regarding this particular connection. They are feeling highly attracted towards you, they feel for you, that is for sure. But what kind of decision that they have to make, we have to see that. Okay, let me clarify the lovers as their feelings for you. Let me see, honey. Strength, King of Pentacles, the Star. Could be dealing with a Leo here or an Aquarius here. This person is holding back a lot of things. This person is holding back a lot of, I can't say feelings, things. There are certain kind of truth that they want to tell you, or there are certain things that they want to clarify. There's certain kind of decision that they are holding back. Because I feel like this person is feeling like they should be stable enough to take any kind of decision right now. They are healing from certain kind of situation in their life right now. That is why they are holding back this decision that they have to take regarding this particular connection with you. Although this person is highly attracted towards you, they are holding back a lot of things from you because they are healing from a certain kind of situation in their life, and that's why they're just holding back this connection or holding back this decision of what to do with this connection with you. This is what is happening in their current feelings for you. Okay, they have to decide, but they are not able to decide because they are going through some certain kind of healing process, certain kind of situation where they can't focus on one thing or the emotional part of their life right now. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Devil. I feel like this person wants you to put in a third party situation, or it could be vice versa also, that you want to put them in a third party situation here. I will clarify before you jump to any conclusions. I will clarify the devil. This person wants to break the chain and remove this connection permanently from you, or delete this connection, because this is kind of obsessive or toxic, or there's some kind of might be third party situation here that they are dealing with or that you are dealing with, and they just want to come out of this devilish state of energy. So they want you to, let me see what that they want you to do. I mean, what they want you to do with this devil, let me see that. This is the correct sentence, right? I know. Grammatical mistakes, lots of it. Deal with me. The devil. Chariot, 4 of swords and 8 of wands. This person wants you to move on and take a break from them and just move forward in your life. I don't know why am I feeling like you want this from them. I don't know why I'm getting this very, very strongly, that you are the person who wants them to move on from this particular toxic connection or particular codependency thing that you guys had with each other. Might be you guys had a sexual connection only, or physical attraction only, or physical connection with each other only. So this person or you want them to move on and just take a break from this particular thing, or take a break from this particular situation, the connection that you guys had with each other, and just move on very fastly in your life. Or you just want to have a proper communication with them regarding this particular decision that you are taking regarding this particular connection. This is very difficult situation, buddy. From 7 to 6 to 8, it is happening like this. So technically I feel like this person wants you to move on from this from this kind of toxic connection that you guys had in the past. Might be this connection is toxic because there is lust, there's no love here. For first of all, there's lots of lust here, there's lots of sexual chemistry, intense hot bad chemistries here, and I feel like there's somebody else also in the equation, and for the sanity of this connection, for the sanity of this particular relationship, They just want you to move on, or they just want themselves to move on from this connection, take a break from you, take a break from this possessiveness or obsessiveness that they feel for you, for this connection, and they just want to have a communication, open and honest communication with you regarding this particular situation. Oh my god, this is very complicated. Let me see what is coming towards you till the 10th of October, Virgos. Seven of Wands. Silence. I feel like you're going to stand your ground, or they are going to stand their ground. This is the Seven of Wands. I feel like the potential outcome is for the person who is watching the video or watching the particular reading. If you're a cross watcher, it is for them, I feel. So they are going to stand their ground, or you are going to stand your own ground. You are going to make a decision. You are going to tell the decision to them, and you are going to be like, yeah, this is what I'm going to do, and this is the final thing. And I'm not going to change the decision for any fucking being on earth right now. Okay. Got it. Got it, honey. Three of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. Yes, you are going to take a decision. You are just going to wait for the right time, for the right person might be. You are going to control your emotions, or hold back your emotions till now, or you are going to save whatever you have till now, till then. And you are just going to feel like, yeah, this is the worst that could happen to me. Now the worst is over and I want to restart my life. You are going to stand for yourself finally, Virgo. You are finally going to stand for yourself, because you will finally get the courage to stand for yourself, for your own needs. You are not going to compromise in a situation where you feel like unwanted, or a third party situation or something like that. Cool. This is what is going to happen till the 10th of October. Cool. Thank you so much for connecting with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.